Welcome to the top best. The Best Africa Essentials is probably one of the most crucial decisions you'll make when planning an unforgettable adventure to this diverse continent, as packing the right gear can significantly enhance your experience, ensuring comfort, safety, and preparedness for everything from thrilling safaris to vibrant city explorations, making every moment count without unnecessary worries about what you left behind or what you desperately need. Number 5. BAGSMART Toiletry Travel Bag with Hanging Hook. Introducing the perfect solution for organized travel. This versatile bag keeps all your essentials neatly stored and easily accessible. Equipped with a sturdy hanging hook, it allows you to suspend it from shower rods or towel racks. This keeps your items off wet counters and within reach. Crafted from water-resistant material, it protects your toiletries from spills and splashes. You can confidently take it anywhere, knowing your contents are safe. Designed to hold full-size containers, shampoo, and all your accessories. Its multiple compartments ensure everything has its place, preventing clutter. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long vacation, it's your ideal travel organizer. Keep your makeup, cosmetics, and toiletries perfectly arranged. Packing becomes a breeze with this smart design. When you arrive, simply hang it up and enjoy instant access to all your necessities. What we like. This travel bag is a master of organization for all your full-size toiletries. Its water-resistant material keeps everything safe from spills, and the integrated hook allows for easy access anywhere. If you're looking for a durable, spacious organizer that keeps your bathroom essentials tidy on the go, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. MAXTOP Large Crossbody Fanny Pack. Experience ultimate convenience with this versatile pack. It allows you to carry your essentials effortlessly, keeping your hands free for whatever your day brings. With 4 zippered pockets, it offers ample space for all your necessities, from your phone to your passport. Keep everything neatly organized and easily accessible. Its adjustable strap lets you wear it in multiple ways, across your chest, around your waist, or over your shoulder. Adapt its style to suit any occasion or outfit. Stay visible at night with its reflective loop, and enjoy your music on the go with the dedicated headphone hole. It's designed with your safety and convenience in mind. A hidden theft-proof back pocket provides extra security for your most important items. Plus, an internal key fob hook protects your phone from scratches. Crafted from high-quality, water-resistant fabric, it's both durable and lightweight. This ensures comfortable and long-lasting use, no matter your adventure. Looking for a thoughtful present? This practical and stylish accessory makes an excellent gift for anyone who enjoys an active, hands-free lifestyle. What we like. This versatile fanny pack offers hands-free convenience with multiple secure pockets for all your essentials. The reflective loop adds an extra layer of safety for evening activities, and a hidden theft-proof pocket protects valuables. If you value security and want to keep your belongings close and safe during active adventures, this is the perfect companion. What people say. Number 3. WATERFLY Crossbody Sling Backpack. This bag keeps all your essentials neatly organized. Its main compartments easily fit your tablet, phone, and power bank, while smaller pockets secure your keys and makeup. A convenient side mesh pocket is perfect for your water bottle. Never miss a beat with its hidden earphone hole. This thoughtful design provides easy access to your headphones, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes wherever you are. It makes every journey more enjoyable. Designed for your comfort, its adjustable shoulder strap can be worn on either your left or right side. The strap also features a handy pouch, perfectly sized for phones up to 7 inches. You can easily customize its fit from 31 to 39.5 inches. Experience superior comfort with its breathable material on both the shoulder strap and back. This ensures you stay cool and comfortable, even during long travels or strenuous hikes. It's built to make your adventures more pleasant. This versatile bag is ideal for hiking, daily outings, and amusement park visits. It's your perfect companion for leisure, walks, and all your everyday adventures. You'll find it indispensable for any activity. What we like. This compact sling bag keeps your daily essentials perfectly organized with its smart compartments. The hidden earphone hole provides convenient access to your music, and the reversible strap offers customizable comfort. If you need a lightweight, comfortable bag for daily outings or short hikes that keeps your tech accessible, this one is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 2. BAGAIL 8-set packing cubes. Introducing the ultimate solution for organized travel. These organizers transform your packing experience, making every trip smoother and more enjoyable. They help you keep everything in its place. Crafted from premium fabric, they keep your clothes safe from wrinkles and stains. Their water-repellent design also guards against spills and leaks, ensuring your garments arrive pristine. This high-performance material withstands travel wear and tear. Designed to be incredibly light, they add no extra bulk to your luggage. The double-way zippers and mesh tops make accessing and identifying your items effortless, while preventing odors. You'll appreciate their easy-to-use features. Separate your different outfits with ease using their various sizes and colors. This not only saves you time searching but also helps you make the most of every inch in your suitcase. They ensure everything has its designated spot. Whether it's a small carry-on or a large suitcase, they fit perfectly. Use them for family vacations, business trips, or outdoor adventures. They're truly multifunctional. They adapt to all your travel needs. Experience the joy of stress-free travel with everything neatly in its place. They help you sort and organize efficiently, saving time and maximizing your comfort on the go. Make your next journey a breeze with them. What we like. This 8-piece set revolutionizes your packing by keeping clothes organized and wrinkle-free. Its premium, water-repellent fabric protects your garments from spills and wear, maximizing luggage space. If you're tired of messy suitcases and want to efficiently sort your belongings while protecting them, these cubes are a game-changer. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the input data is empty. Number 1. Cliganic 10-pack Mosquito Repellent Bracelets. Introducing Cliganic Mosquito Repellent Bracelets. These natural, DEET-free bands are designed to keep mosquitoes away from both adults and kids. They are completely DEET-free and powered by essential oils. Their active ingredients are derived from plants, offering a natural solution. Enjoy instant and convenient protection with these bracelets. Each pack contains 10 individually wrapped bands, ready to use whenever you need them. Designed for comfort, they are stretchy, adjustable, and truly one size fits all. This makes them suitable for both kids and adults when used as directed. These bracelets are great for all your outdoor activities. Take them to parks, on hikes, camping trips, or when you're traveling. Please note that packaging may vary as we transition to a new look. Rest assured, you'll receive the same great product inside. What we like. These bracelets offer a natural, DEET-free way to keep mosquitoes at bay, powered by essential oils. Each comes individually wrapped for instant, convenient protection, and they are adjustable for all ages. If you're looking for a simple, natural, and portable solution to enjoy the outdoors without pesky insects, these are a must-have. What people say. The item performs exceptionally well. Its robust construction ensures durability. Users find its features highly beneficial. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.